A lot of people ask about how to take these trim pieces off right here and the window, and some other people have asked about how to put new ones on that were the polished aluminum. So I thought I would go over a little bit. I've got the other side taken off. I'll go over there and show you what I did. Hopefully it helps some people. As you can see, I'm working on changing the quarter panel. But if we can get the camera in here, see right here, some holes. There's 3 that go towards the B pillar. All right, there's there's 3 holes there. 2 of them hold this little track right here in, and the other screw hole right there. Have to forgive my shaky hands and the camera not focusing. That hole is what holds this piece right here in. The screw hole right there. Right, but first, you got to go and get, if you're taking the quarter panel off, you got to cut all this crap away. Make sure you don't cut this piece off, because it's got to stay. Alright, you got to go in here and cut down in there and get that crap off. It's kind of tricky, but that's another story. Alright. Okay, you see that screw hole right there. There's that one. There's that one. Alright, so like I said, first you take out the screws that hold this part in. This one here went in there, all the way down there. So there was 3 screws on that one. So take that out first. Then you gotta take these screws out through here. Then there's a bolt. It's on the inside of the car. It's right there. I'll show you the bracket. That's it. It went right in there like that. Okay, so once you get those 2 pieces out, then you gotta take these screws out. There's one there, there's one at the top. Okay, this one comes off first, and I just had to kind of get a screwdriver up in there underneath that tab where my finger is, pry it downwards, and then went towards the back right here. Got that one down, pulled it away. Now, this one right here, you see them little tabs that are red? There you go. If you can see, well, it slides towards the front of the car, and to get it off, these are kind of rolled over there, so I had to take the screwdriver, put it right here where my finger is, and gently put it in there, and roll it back that way, and then push it that way, and just work my way down and slide it off towards the back. Now, these are pretty strong metal, but if you get some aftermarket that are polished aluminum or whatever they are, I'm sure they're going to be a lot more fragile. Put on, you got to be careful. You'll bend the crap out of them from what I hear. But putting it back on is reverse order. You got to put this one on first, and it slides that way. I'm not going to put it all the way on because it's a pain in the butt to get it back off. After you get that one on, put the top one on, then you got to put your window felt back in. Then do your quarter panel if you're going to do a quarter panel. Alright. I know the camera was shaky as crap and unfocused, but hopefully it helps give somebody an idea.